Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, so I just took a shower, but yeah, I haven't posted a video in a while because I was on a trip and I filmed some stuff on my GoPro, but it's not loading. So now I'll just post some pictures and one video of my trip.